Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Moto G04 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to restore keyboard in your phone Moto G04. Sometimes your typing keyboard may have been misplaced. Okay, see here. Yeah, I gone to the typing interface and see here the keyboard is like this. Okay, so if you want to restore this keyboard to the original position, just click here and it will be restored. See here, this is the default keyboard option. Okay, if you want to again go to the previous mode, you got to use one-handed mode. Okay, one-handed. So this is called one-handed mode. Already your phone has set to one-handed mode, and then if you would like to bring to the default, you have to click here. Okay, this is right-handed mode. Okay, left-handed mode means this is left-handed mode. Okay, you got to use this arrow to shift to the right hand and left-handed mode. Okay, if you want to use normal mode, click on this symbol and it will come to the normal mode. In this way you can easily restore keyboard in your phone Moto G04. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.